Hi guys, friends. I'm at work. I have so much to do. I just finished all my work, so I'm gonna sneak into the lab and do my video and my yoga, so I can get it done. Shh! Don't tell nobody. Oh, I painted my nails. They're the color change. Let's see if I can turn on the water and change them so I can show you. Yes. See? Fasting my way to Jen is texting me. I am like so popular. You girls always be texting me. She asked me, how am I doing? I'm frustrated. This fast sucked. Let's just be honest. It sucked. Someone just posted like inspiring to them. Dave tells me I'm motivational, and I just feel like I'm shitty. Like, it's been a shitty fast. It's been extremely difficult this time. Bloated, miserable, irritable AF, super stressed out. If it wasn't for Eileen, I probably would have just said fuck it and I ate and then got restarted. But no, I was 153.8 this morning, which is very close to my low, but I was going for 152.9, so 0.9 away. 5.4 pounds for 5 days, not worth it to me. Not worth it. I know it was dropping and stuff, and I was a little dirty. Couple dirty days of fasting, all under, I don't know how many calories were in that cookie, David, but I would say whenever I did, like if I had a handful of nuts or that cookie, I think I drank pickle juice this week. I'm not sure exactly, but it was always very minimal. It's not worth it. Not having it would be just better just to eat a good meal and then, be very strict with my fast. So that's the goal for next week. Tighten it up and only hopefully have to do a 72. But I'm going to have a good weekend with the girls. I'm super stressed about that just because of all the stuff that goes into it, like packing and but I think as soon as we get unpacked tonight, then I can relax. Because I'm working. I'm about to leave soon. I'll leave at lunchtime. I have to go to the store and then pack up the car with, everything. Like, everything. You take so much shit when you go somewhere. And then pack the cooler and all that crap. And then we are camping real close to the house, so it's no big deal if we forget something. But just, people waiting on me and stuff like that I don't like. I will take my measurements when I get home, if I remember. I really want to before I start eating, so I'm going to try. I just, and I had a glorious bowel movement finally, because I feel real bloated and drained. So maybe, I burped again, Joanne. Maybe I just, it was a lot this week or something. I don't know. No, David's messaging me too. I knew yesterday it was time to stop fasting. You want to know why? Because I test animal feeds and pet foods at work, and I was testing the nitrogen content, and there was 4 suets. They're like bird cakes that you put out for birds, and this one smelled like it had like peanut butter and corn and all this stuff, and I was like, this is smelling way too good. Like, I could eat this. I meant to tell you guys that yesterday. So I'm very grateful that I'm breaking my fast. I already had a protein bar this morning, and it's just making me more ravenous. That's what I hate about when you start eating. It's just like you're hungry again. It's like you're hungry. It's like better not to even eat. But I need to eat. So I'm not going to eat anything else until tonight. I think it's walking tacos. One of the girls is bringing all the stuff. And dessert cones. You like fill up a sugar cone with like fun toppings, and then you cook it over the coals. And that's it. I'm going to try to get my yoga in. And I'm going to eat probably 3 meals on Saturday. 1 meal on Sunday, but I think what I'm going to do is I don't know if I'll have breakfast or not on Sunday with the girls, but I'm making those sloppy joes because everything's out and ready to go, so I need to cook the meat. So I'll be making paleo sloppy joes for Sunday night's dinner, and then starting another fast, probably going to have to be a perfect 72, and that's what I'm shooting for. No dirtiness. Maybe my bang in the morning, I don't know. So I'm going to hurry up and do yoga, hurry up and do Spanish, then go to the store. Had to come home and do yoga. Day 11. I already packed my mat, so. Close your eyes.